Really wanna work this out, don't think you're gonna change. I do, but you don't. Think it's best we go our separate ways. I should stay in this relationship when I'm hurting, baby. What are the warning signs that you're in a bad relationship with your realtor? Bad pictures. You ever been catfished? Don't you hate those bathroom selfies? Pictures taken in portrait and not landscape. Close-ups of furniture, not your room. There's people, animals, or the TV is on. It's so important to have nice pictures because that's your first impression. It's all about marketing. Staging, showings, we're just trying to get as many buyers through the door as possible. Do they do open houses? Do they bring in the neighbors? Some agents don't like open houses because they don't like nosy neighbors to come through. They may be nosy neighbors, but they have friends or family that want to move into the area. Communication. We all know a relationship is built on communication. How often do you hear from your real estate agent? Is it hard to get a hold of them? Are they dodging your calls? Do you feel like you're not a priority? What about communicating with buyer agents and those that are interested? Is your agent following up with buyer agents? Are they getting feedback? Do they know why people aren't bringing an offer to your property? Is it the price? Is it the condition of the property? Or does your agent think that the house is going to sell itself? Agents have to follow ethics. They also have to disclose information. They can't just conveniently leave out some information. Some agents have huge egos. Are they letting that get in the way of selling your house? You're all working towards the same goal. But if the ego gets in the way, it kind of stops everything from progressing forward. Selling your house is an emotional process. And if your agent is more emotional than you, that's not going to help the whole situation. I'm sure you know someone who's inefficient or very ineffective. Attention to detail, the care, integrity, and the communication with other agents is an extension of you, and it determines how successful the sale of your home will be. The market is moving fast. An inefficient agent might miss a few opportunities. An effective agent will capitalize on all the interested parties and try and drum up multiple offers. Negotiations is the other half of it. Some of these agents can't negotiate their own income, their commission, and you expect them to negotiate on your behalf for your largest asset? Do you think they'll spend the money required to market your property that will attract the right buyer? Or will they try and cut corners? It's not you, it's them. I think you should just let it burn. That listing agreement, burn it. There's also good agents out there. Make sure you find the right one for you. Check out our video on interview questions when hiring a listing agent. For any other questions or inquiries, feel free to reach out to us if you're looking for a change, and I'll see you in the next one.